So, you've probably experienced the delays and frustrations that come with handling maintenance issues the traditional way. Typically, when a predictive maintenance technician identifies a problem, the recommended action is included in a report, whether it's a PDF, an email, or Word document. But that's where delays creep in. From rewriting problem details into the CMMS to double data entry between APM tools and the CMMS, these inefficiencies can slow down critical responses. And with the status of corrective actions unclear, you're often left scrambling to figure out what's been done. But now, Spartakus Technologies is excited to introduce our certified SAP PM Connector, an integrated solution that streamlines the entire workflow from predictive maintenance to corrective action. With this integration, Spartakus APM requests the creation of work notification within SAP PM, including the critical fields like the functional location, the short and long description, the severity of the issue, and even specific customized codes. Now, once the work notification is created in SAP, its number syncs back into Spartakus APM, ensuring the CMMS remains the master system while keeping both platforms in perfect harmony. So with this integration, Spartakus will always stay updated on the status of corrective actions, ensuring that Spartakus's asset health dashboard and SAP work seamlessly together, providing maintenance professionals the tools they deserve to be more efficient. So try it today.